Flowers for you. And here it is, flowers for you. This is actually the new size, 8 by 8 inches. With 10 double side pages inside for your works of scrapbooking, of course. This is very new, with also new design with quotes. And the designs of flowers inside are made with watercolor. Watercolor is our great novelty in papers, and not only. Inside this small album you can find quotes of nice sentences and flowers, whatever it is useful for making wonderful cards. Not only scrapbooking papers, but also rice papers with the same subjects. So did you like our novelties? I'm sure you like them and you are ready to create with us. Products will be available soon in the shops. Thank you for following us and see you soon. Bye bye!